Do you have a runny nose or a sinus infection? Well, this Congestion Support roll-on is for you. For this recipe, you will need 3 drops of Peppermint Essential Oil and 3 drops of Breathe Easy Essential Oil. You will also need a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. To make this recipe, I'm going to open my roller bottle, add my essential oils, give it a little swirl, and fill the rest of the way up with fractionated coconut oil or whatever carrier oil you choose. You'll want to use a carrier oil whenever you are using an essential oil on the skin. Essential oils are really powerful, and when you just put them on your skin, it can be irritating or too much can enter your body. So use a carrier oil to safely dilute them. Plus, carrier oils are full of their own natural vitamins and other great things for your skin, so they pair great with essential oils. To use this recipe, just apply to your pulse points or wherever you can get a good whiff of it to help clear your congestion. So if you have a cold or runny nose, ditch those chemicals and use this natural essential oil recipe. This recipe is featured in our December recipe box. Subscribe today to get everything you need for this recipe to have naturally healthy sinuses today. Go and make your home more natural.